interesting action that happened on Friday. If you notice pre-market, we had about a $5 jump in our spiders. We were trading pre-market about 650, and then bam, all of a sudden 655, and then kind of just fading out. And then we had that large pullback on Friday, and then that recovery. But I thought we were going to have like a big V-shaped recovery. If we would have opened around 650, it would have been nice to just say, everybody just get in calls. Let's see what we're doing in here. Don't worry about volatility, anything like that. Let's just get in here 650 at 9:30 a.m. open, and let's just get a huge V in here on the day. Obviously, none of that happened, and we're just playing according to the chart. So what is going to happen next week? Well, we're trading below 660. That's going to be a key level for us in here to break. Actually, 661 is a level that we're going to watch. That's a level we've been mentioning for quite some time now. So anything above 661, we're looking at this 9-day EMA sitting at 665. And then above there, we're looking right here at that upper 673. It's really 674 area. And that's where your upper trend line is kind of sitting, or I guess it was our previous lower trend line. It is now our new resistance line in here. It's right around that 674 mark. On the downside in here, we're looking at 652. That's a place that we kind of touched a lot, it seems like, in the past few days, but obviously that 650 came in actually it was 649, but the 649 650 area came into question as well from Thursday into Friday. But really 652 has a better spot for us to kind of set up footing. So if we do get another pullback in here, look for that to kind of be a spot for us to kind of consolidate. You can see once we got above that 652, it was a support for us back in here in October or September and October for a few weeks in here or so. So that could be a place for us to kind of consolidate in between overall the 652 and the 673 mark. So if we can hold that, that is going to be good news for us. But if not, and we go back down again, we're going to be visiting these 637s. That is going to be what we're looking at in here. But all in all, ridiculously high volume in here to the downside. So we did get a down move in here with conviction. So consolidation should happen this coming week, especially on a short week. If anything, we should get some indecision or overall green candle, just small, to the upside in here. And hopefully those 661s do hold. If not, then obviously we're looking at the 652, and then we're going to play it accordingly. So all in all, that's kind of the levels we're watching in here. Short week coming up. Interesting moves that we just had on Friday. So let's see how we're going to react coming into a short week this week. And let's see if we can get a volatility contraction overall, because now our IV is high. Your VIX is running right around that 24 mark again. So let's see if we can get a contraction to the downside, or an overall VIX contraction, while we get a move to the upside in here in the overall markets. What everybody's pricing in by your expirations is you have a $7 expected move on Monday, Tuesday, right around 10, Wednesday, 12. You go out to Friday, right around a $13 expected move being priced in. So let's watch a short week. Let's watch those short trading sessions and see what happens overall this week in the overall markets. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.